Hello, my name is Silvia Aguilar and I am a visually impaired person. And in this occasion, I am going to share the user evaluation of Onion Share, the application for Windows. So in previous videos, I downloaded the installation application or the installation functionality. I have it in my downloads. So I will go there and I will proceed from there and see how accessible it is.
Deskurgus row 1, Deskurgus.
These are my downloads.
La Semana Onion Share
And
Win 64.
I just click, press enter here.
Window dialog. Windows installer dialog preparing. Onion Share setup. Please read the Onion Share license agreement. I accept the terms in the license agreement checkbox not checked. Alt+A.
Okay. It has a shortcut to check this checkbox.
Print button. I accept the terms in the license agreement checkbox not checked. Alt+A.
I will press spacebar to check.
Checked. Print button. Alt+P.
This is, I press tab and it leads me to the button print. Press tab again.
Install button. Alt+I.
Install and then press enter here.
Onion Share setup. Please wait while the setup wizard installs Onion Share. Installing Onion Share status : cancel button.
This is the sound that the screen reader does.
Onion Share setup. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard.
Okay, apparently it has installed here, so I'm pressing tab to locate the button and I don't get any response, so I press letter B to locate the button of finish and it doesn't respond either, just makes a sound, so I cannot proceed with the finishing the installation. I will press 0 in the numpad, but with the numpad deactivated, and the subtraction sign or the minus sign.
Move to focus. Finish button. Alt+F.
Okay, so it gives me a shortcut. I will press Alt F.
Deskurgus. Vista Elementos list.
And it returns me again to the downloads. I will close this window pressing Alt F4.
Escritorio.
And see if I have an icon here in the desktop. I will press letter O. No. So I will pause a little bit the video to locate the application.
Controls de reunion. Controls de reunion.
Okay, I went to the home button in the Windows screen and then typed Onion, and it gave me the Onion Share application, which should be installed.
Zoom row 1. Controls de reunion. Zoom column 2. Controls de
I am pressing Alt F to change my windows.
Zoom row 1. Controls de Zoom column 2 of 2. Controls de reunion de Zoom column 2 of 2. Controls de reunion de pant a la compart. Zoom column 2. Controls de control.
Okay, again I will go to the
escritorio
to the desktop, pressing Windows M and then
Initio toggle button not.
Press enter.
Initio window.
And then type Onion.
Onion Share application.
Okay, so over this I will press enter and see
Veritarius.
What do I have.
Initio toggle. Escritorio.
It doesn't.
Controls de reunion de Zoom column 2. Controls de reunion. Zoom column 2 of 2. Controls to reunion.
It
Control.
doesn't show me anything. Okay, I will pause again the video. Okay, I am
Onion share.
This is the onion share window. If I press tab here,
Connector a Tor tab control.
it's connect to Tor. I don't know, it translated me the application into Spanish.
Connector a Tor automatic.
Connector to connect to Tor automatically.
Connector a Tor button.
Connect to Tor. This is a button.
Configuration to log.
These are the settings of the network.
Status bar. Configuration button.
This is a status bar, and it repeats me configuration or settings.
Connector a Tor tab control. Connector a Tor automatic.
I'm pressing just tab to go into the controls.
Connector a Tor button.
Okay, I am in the connect to Tor button. I will press spacebar and see what happens. It's connecting.
Onion share window. Plus button abrir una pestana nueva.
Okay, the plus button is a button that opens a new tab.
Nueva pestana.
New tab.
Compartir archivos button.
Share files.
Recibir archivos button.
Receive files. These are buttons.
Alojar un sitio web button.
Host a website.
Chatir anonymamente button.
Chat anonymously.
Status bar. Configuration button.
And the settings button.
Nueva pestana tab control. Compartir archivos button. Recibir. Alojar un sitio. Chatir. Status bar. Configuration button.
I will go status bar and settings button. So I will press spacebar here in the settings button to see what shows me.
Configuration. Plus button abrir. Configuration tab control.
Oh, this is the a tab that has the settings.
General tab control.
A general.
Comprobar nuevas versions grouping. Note.
To see if there are new versions.
Comprobar nueva version button. Note. General tab control. Configuration tab control.
I will press enter configuration into this tab, into this settings tab.
General tab. Comprobar nueva. General tab control.
Okay, let's see what we have in the general tab. I pressed enter here.
Comprobar nueva version button. Notificame cuando haya una versión nueva DISP.
It says that we can be notified when there's a new version. I'm not checking it because my machine will be saturated of notifications.
Comprobar nueva version button.
Okay,
Notificame cuando haya una versión nueva DISP. Winnable checkbox checked.
Oh, this is a checkbox that's checked. I will uncheck it.
Not checked.
Okay, it's okay because it's telling me the status of the box, which is unchecked.
Comprobar nueva.
Then I will press tab.
Comprobar nueva version button.
Test a new version or see if there's a new version.
Combo box español down.
Okay, this is in Spanish, and I will just press Alt down arrow to see.
List. Hrvatski. Español.
Spanish.
English.
English. Okay, this is English. I can select the language, then tab, and it doesn't read me anything. I think it's downloading or seeing if there's a version in English or something happened here because it is not reading me, and I'm pressing tab. Tab, 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 and it doesn't read me anything. I will press insert T for the application to read me the title of the window.
Onion share.
Just says me onion share, and then I press tab. It doesn't read.
Español. English.
Okay, it's English, and then I will press enter here. I pressed down arrow.
English.
Enter, and then
Combo box automatico down. Combo box English down.
So English, and
Combo
then
box automatico down.
automatic. I will press Alt down arrow to see the options.
List.
And then just down
Automatico.
arrow.
Claro. Oscuro.
Okay, this list can be selected, but I don't know what the list is about, what options I'm choosing here. So
Claro. Automatico.
I will press enter into automatic.
Combo box automatic. Inverted question mark necesitas ayuda.
Do you need help? It says here, and I don't need any help so far. Press tab again. No,
Guardar button. Inverted question mark necesitas. Guardar button.
Then save button. This is it's reading me in Spanish because it by default it installed it in Spanish. So I will press spacebar in this button.
Onion
to
share
save.
dialog. Restart onion share to change to the new language. Okay, but
okay, restart onion share. So I will press a spacebar.
Onion share window. Status bar. Configuration button. Nueva Pestana tab. Plus status bar.
And it shows
configuration
me again
button.
in Spanish
Nueva
apparently.
Compartir archivos. Recibir archive. Alojar un sitio.
Yeah.
Shatir. Stat.
It's
Nueva
Spanish.
Pestana.
Okay, I will press Alt F4 to close the window.
Escritorio list.
Okay, it lets me do it. And then
controls to reuse. Control.
I will pause the video again. Okay, what I did is I anchored the onion share to the taskbar. So I will go and press Windows M to go to the desktop.
Folder view.
And twice Shift Tab.
Botón. Microsoft Edge button.
Okay, I have here my applications, and then the right arrow right arrow until I reach onion share.
Word, Alt, Firefox, WhatsApp, Zoom : onion share button.
Okay, and press enter here.
Onion share window. Status bar. Onion share window.
And see if it comes up into English. Press tab.
Connect to Tor tab control.
Okay, it has changed. Connect to Tor.
Connect to Tor checkbox not checked.
Auto connect to Tor.
Connect to Tor button. Network settings button.
Network settings.
Status bar. Settings button.
This is the settings.
Connect to Tor tab control.
And if I regularly when an application has menus into it, you press Alt. So I will press Alt to see if there are any menus here. No menus, or at least that I am aware of. Okay.
Connect to Tor button. Network settings button. Status bar. Settings button. Connect to Tor tab. Connect to Tor checkbox not checked. Connect to Tor button.
Okay, I'm just pressing tab.
Network settings button. Status bar. Settings button. Connect to Tor tab control. Connect to Tor checkbox not checked. Connect to Tor tab.
I connect to Tor tab. I will press Control tab to see if I have another tab here. So apparently we don't have any of it. Okay, this is an initial test of the application, the Windows application. I'm using NVDA as a screen reader. My name is Silvia Aguilar. I am a visually impaired person. And this is it for now. Thank you very much for your kind attention.
Controls de reunion depend, inner compartition left paren, Alt plus S
I
right.
will stop the screen sharing. Okay, and stop the recording.